So what about like Welsh folklore? Where are we on that then with the Western order restored and Eastern no, you must accept it?
Well, that's a big question that we certainly don't have time to fully explore today. However, my conjecture, my idea on this is, as with our language and with the Irish language, it's clearly an Indo-European language. All of the languages of Europe, except one or two, are all related. All comes from one mother tongue, an Indo-European proto-language that probably came over from where we've just been discussing now, around Georgia and the steppes of the Caucasus Mountains. Sweeps over Europe. The problem is with Irish and with Welsh, is what's known as the grammatical substratum, the very basic grammatical set of how we speak is completely flipped backwards in Welsh and in Irish. And there's no other Indo-European language that has that, and it doesn't make any sense at all, except to consider that there was a language on this island before the Indo-European languages came that might have been related to what has the same grammar, exactly the same, which are Semitic languages. So in North Africa, you had the Carthaginians, Carthage, Hannibal crossing the mountain. Their culture was Phoenician. They originally came from the Middle East. So there might have been some link between us and Carthage to give us this different grammar underneath our language. But that's all a theory. That's why I think the Welsh tales, compared to all other European tales, are very slightly different in key ways. The Irish have got other worlds, underworlds. You go under the mountain, that's where the fairies live. In France and in Germany, the Germanic, you've got the realm that is beyond part of the great tree. But it is an underworld, you see. Everyone has that. We don't have that in Wales, we have the other world. It's different.
I thought we had Southern Comfort there.
Yes, because in Arnwfn, the other world, there is a place called Caer Meddwyn, which is the castle of the drunks, and they'll definitely have Southern Comfort there.
They have it. Boom.
Boom, right when you want it.
Yeah.
Exactly.